Hey people, what's up? This is Sundas and I'm gonna be introducing myself like this only in every video from now because many of you keep on asking me how I pronounce my name and I can tell you on the text messages how I pronounce it, so this is a better way. I think you'll get to know me and my name better. So yeah, this is Sundas and welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with a new video that is all about how to apply a perfect winged eyeliner. Many of you requested and I did a poll on my Instagram whether you want a hijab tutorial or eyeliner tutorial, and many of you voted for eyeliner. And yeah, let's get started without further ado. And if you liked it, give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. I need your love, I need your support. And yeah, let's get started. And yes, also press that bell button if you want to get notified whenever I upload my video. Let's get started. So firstly, if you're scared that your wing or your line would be perfect, so you can mark your lash line how much area you want to fill up with the liner. So you can take any black shadow, and I'm going to be taking this from colourpop palette, I Think I Love You, this black one shade here, and I'm just going to be lining a little bit to give a proper mark on my eye how much I want to line. So I'm going to be doing that like this with a small brush. I hope I'm visible. With the brush, which will make it much more easier for you guys to line perfectly with the liner afterwards. As you can see, and this doesn't need to be perfect. You have to afterwards put up the liner. So, and yeah, just from the outer corner of the eye, this here, but on the upper lash line here, on the upper lash line, start your wing, mark a line so that you know how much intense wing you want. Like some put it right like a straight wing, some goes much higher over the arch to get a dramatic wing. So I'm going to be putting not too dramatic, not too below, so it will be right above my eyebrow, end of my eyebrow, so like here. And if you think your hand won't be stable, so just place your elbow over the table to get a balanced handle. The eyeliner that I use most of the time, and I think so far this is the best eyeliner I have ever used, is this one from L'Oreal. This is Super Line L'Oreal eyeliner. Will be the liner that I showed you, and I'm gonna be just lining over it. As you can see how perfect it is. And this is the best possible way to put an eyeliner. Just stretch your eyelid and you will get a perfect line. Then, as you see where I have marked this, I'll just put this liner color over here to get it more intense, and just connect this to the center of the lid, like from here to here, like this. Depends on the intensity, how much bold wing you want, and just polish it a bit more. So guys, I just completed both my eyes and complete my look with the mascara, and this is the final look. I hope you guys find it a little bit easy to how to apply eyeliner, and if you want me to do any other video, let me know in the comments down below, and also subscribe, like, and comment. what you want next, and I'll be doing more few job tutorials inshallah in future. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Till next time, bye.